koutou, Kor XXX. She is Emily.
And more arts at our Winton School. Kor Braden here. He is Braden. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Raapa, the 22nd of June.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki.
This week's word is hoa, which is te rero for friend.
What hawa are you playing with at playtime?
Pai, on to health and safety news.
Hi VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Remember to stay off the muddy patches of grass as the mud travels into the classrooms.
The ropes are out of bounds and they need some parts replaced. Please stay off these until you are told they can be used again.
No birthdays today, Winton, but plenty more on the way.
Here is today's notices.
Please make sure you wait in your classroom for the heat-up tray to be delivered to your class by the heat-up monitors.
You are not to go into the heat-up room or stop the monitors on the way to delivering the heat-ups.
Reminder that the library is open today.
Today is the Year 7-8 Inter-House Challenge. Please meet at the hall at 12:30 with your lunch. Good luck and make sure you're on time.
Reminder that tomorrow is sausage sizzle day. Reminder to get your orders in.
A huge good luck to everyone who's going to Southland. Good luck, and we know you'll do your best.
There is no kapa haka today, but it will be on tomorrow. Now, if you miss any notices, you can play the news game or read all the notices in the text box below.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite a popo. See you tomorrow.
Hide it out and stay sharp, Winton School.